Hello and welcome to Chelsea Square Apartments. Today we're going to do a virtual tour of our 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhome. This is a 1,600 square foot townhome with utilities included. When you first come in, you'll see your kitchen, large counter space, lots of storage, and a perfect place to put a breakfast nook. Just in case you were wondering, the stovetop is gas. As you can see, there's a pantry in the actual kitchen versus outside like our standard 2-bedroom, 1.5. When you come out of the kitchen to your immediate left, you will see your half bath. Let's go check out the living area. Perfect living space for entertaining. Don't worry, your patio area will be in the den versus the living room. Let's give you another angle. Now let's check out the den. Straight ahead is the den. To your left is your 3rd bedroom, perfect for an office or an extra closet. Here is your first full bathroom. Now with this one, it does have a standing shower. You are still getting counter space and lots of storage underneath the sink also. Here's that den that you guys were waiting for. This is just perfect for anybody who wants to wake up and go right to the patio for that fresh, clean Chelsea Square air. The size of this den is just incredible. There's so much room. Don't worry, we offer you full-size washers and dryers. Here's an angle of what the main door looks like when you're going upstairs. 3rd floor, here we come. To your left is your master bedroom with 2 large closets that are on either side. Lots of natural lighting, I see. Here's your 2nd bedroom or multi-purpose room with a closet that goes from one side to the other. Thanks so much for stopping by Chelsea Square Apartments today. If you have any additional questions on anything that we talked about, please contact 804-270-1205.